Well, let's consider another situation. If the target material is existed in the MHC database, then we can filter it out through these two searching methods. The first method is searching by keywords, the second way is searching by the polymer type in the supplier. For example, we select HIPS for the polymer type and select one supplier from the list. Here shows the searching results. Select one of the materials as the target material. Here shows the list of alternatives and the similarity score. The ranking is based on the similarity score. The first one from the ranking is usually the target material and the alternatives will be listed from the second data. Select one of alternatives. Here shows the relationship between alternative and target material, including its MFI, density, melt temperature, mold temperature, filler weight percentage, and tensile modulus. The alternatives we found here basically keep the same polymer type. MHC can also help you to find other alternatives even the polymer type are changed to another one. Turn off this setting and we'll show you how to find other alternatives with another polymer type in the next portion. But it will take a little bit long time to calculate. Here we can see the alternatives include other polymer types, HIPS, ABS or PMMA. This area allows user to find criteria and weighting to compare alternative and target material. You can define what physical property and weighting you concern for your comparison. It's very easy to change the settings for your comparison. The default setting is dominant for the filling simulation. So these 6 physical properties are checked. Make sure check 3 items at least. Of course, we can also check all items, if all simulation stages including filling, packing, cooling and warpage are considered. Then we can check them all to see the similarity score. That's all about the function of alternative material. Thank you.